Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the latest edition of the Wacky News Radio Show, your home for wacky, offbeat, and comedic news from around the world. I'm your host, bringing you the quirkiest stories with a touch of humor. And before we dive into the news, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media to keep up with all the madness. Former President Jacob Zuma is facing yet another legal setback after his appeal at the Supreme Court of Appeal was dismissed. This is one wacky roller coaster ride of legal twists and turns. But the latest blow came as the court dismissed Zuma's attempt to overturn an order, making that decision immediately enforceable while he attempted to appeal it. Talk about trying to catch a break. Now, Zuma had sought to have Downer and Mon prosecuted, alleging that the state leaked his personal medical information to the journalist during his arms deals corruption trial. Seems like this case has more drama than a telenovela. However, the Supreme Court of Appeal ruled that the private prosecution of advocate Downer and Mon had no foundation in either fact or law. I guess that's the legal version of a punchline. The court went even further, stating that Zuma's attempt was part of what they termed a Stalingrad strategy to delay the arms deal corruption trial. You can't make this stuff up, folks. The Jacob Zuma Foundation, however, responded by saying that they are still studying the judgment handed down by the Supreme Court of Appeal. Talk about keeping us in suspense. The foundation spokesperson, Nzwan El-Meni, raised some suspicions about the judgment, stating, "More than once, you had the NPA, National Prosecuting Authority, deciding not to prosecute, and then all of a sudden, you have a summary statement that gives the impression that President Zuma has been delaying the trial. So indeed, we will look into all of that. But all in all, it's the typical Zuma law in action," Meni said. Classic Zuma, always keeping us guessing. And so, the former president, Jacob Zuma, is now expected to announce his next move at a later stage. What's your bet, folks? More legal shenanigans or a plot twist? That's it for this wacky and comedic news update. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more laughs and the latest in the world of the weird. Stay tuned for more bizarre tales and offbeat stories right here on the Wacky News Radio Show. Thanks for joining us, and have a wonderful day.